Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Coinbase for day trading. First, it's crucial to understand that day trading involves significant risk, so never invest more than you can comfortably lose. Ensure your Coinbase account is fully verified and funded. We'll cover setting up your account, choosing the right assets, executing trades, and managing risk effectively. This guide will help you navigate the fast-paced world of crypto day, trading with confidence, and a clear strategy. Once your account is ready, you'll need to fund it. Consider starting with an amount you're comfortable risking, perhaps a few $100s. Next, select cryptocurrencies known for their high liquidity and volatility, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, as these offer more trading opportunities. Avoid less-known coins initially. Remember, diversifying your portfolio can help manage risk, even in day trading. Always research assets thoroughly before committing your capital. When executing trades, always use limit orders instead of market orders for better price control. This allows you to set your desired entry and exit points precisely. Implement stop-loss orders to automatically sell an asset if it drops to a certain price, limiting potential losses. Develop a clear trading strategy, whether it's scalping, range trading, or trend following, and stick to it. Discipline is key to successful day trading. Effective risk management is paramount. Never invest more than you can afford to lose, and consider setting a daily loss limit, perhaps 1% or 2% of your total capital. Stay informed about market news and trends, as these can significantly impact prices. Finally, keep meticulous records of all your trades, including entry and exit points, profits, and losses. This helps you analyze your performance and refine your strategies over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.